While allowing followers to comment on your Instagram posts can be a positive experience, there may be occasions in which you want to share something but don't want feedback. In this tutorial I will show you how to disable comments on Instagram for a post. Open your Instagram app on your phone. From your profile page, tap the photo you wish to disable comments on. Tap the three dots on the upper right-hand corner of the photo to reveal a list of options. Tap Turn off commenting. Comments will then be disabled, and can be re-enabled at any time by tapping at three dots, then tapping Turn on commenting.